In front of me is Nokia G60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Nokia smartphone. First of all, just open Settings. In them you need to scroll down and choose Security section. After that, scroll down again and tap on Face Unlock. Now you need to enter your screen lock and tap on Setup Face Unlock. After that, read the instructions and then choose Start at the bottom right corner. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions below. After that, select Done at the bottom right corner and click on those switches next to those two features to switch them off or on. Then click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete your face data, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings, some settings, security, and Face Unlock, then entering your login method and clicking on Delete Face Data. Lastly, tap on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!